Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook Pixel to Typeform. This is incredibly useful if you want to track conversions and gather insights about how people interact with your forms, making your marketing efforts much more effective. If you want to get started on Typeform, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, open your web browser and navigate to typeform.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the account where you want to add the Facebook Pixel tracking. After logging in, look over to the left panel of your Typeform dashboard. Here you'll see a button that says plus create a new form. Click on this to start building a new form where you'll integrate your Facebook pixel. When the options appear, select Start from Scratch. This gives you a blank canvas to work with. From there, click on Welcome Screen to begin setting up your form's structure. This initial setup is important because it establishes the foundation of your form before you start adding any tracking capabilities. Now that your form is open, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find several tabs. Click on the Connect tab. This is where all your integration options live, and it's the hub for connecting Typeform with external tools and platforms. In the integrations list that appears, scroll down or use the search function to find Facebook Pixel. Once you locate it, click on Connect. This is where you'll link your Typeform directly to your Facebook advertising account, allowing you to track user behavior and conversions. However, before you can proceed, you'll need to upgrade your Typeform plan. The Facebook Pixel integration is only available on paid plans, so if you're currently on a free account, you'll need to select a suitable subscription tier. This upgrade unlocks advanced features that are essential for professional marketing and data tracking. Assuming you've upgraded or already have a paid plan, I'll show you the next step. You'll need to paste your Pixel ID into the field labeled Pixel ID. You can find your Facebook Pixel ID in your Facebook Events Manager under the Pixels section. Copy that ID and paste it directly into this field in Typeform. Once you've entered your Pixel ID, click Save to confirm the connection. This action establishes the link between your Typeform and your Facebook Pixel, ensuring that all interactions with your form are now being tracked. Finally, verify that everything is working correctly by checking the Connect panel. It should now display connected along with your Pixel ID. This confirmation means your Facebook Pixel is actively tracking data from your Typeform, allowing you to measure performance and optimize your campaigns. And there you have it, you've successfully integrated Facebook Pixel with your Typeform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.